Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use trailing stop loss in KuCoin. This powerful tool helps you secure profits and minimize losses by automatically adjusting your stop price as the market moves favorably. It is a dynamic order that can be incredibly useful in volatile markets, allowing you to ride upward trends while protecting your capital. We will cover the easy method to set it up, ensuring you can implement this strategy effectively. To set up a trailing stop loss, first log into your KuCoin account and go to the trading interface. Choose your desired trading pair. Look for the stop limit option, then select trailing stop. You will need to specify a trailing deviation and an activation price. These two key parameters determine how your order will behave, so understanding them is crucial for effective use. Let's clarify the key parameters. The trailing deviation is the percentage below the highest price achieved that your stop loss will follow. For example, a 2% deviation means your stop price will always be 2% below the peak price. The activation price is the specific price point that must be reached for your trailing stop order to become active. Until this price is hit, the order remains dormant. For best practices, consider setting your trailing deviation based on the asset's typical volatility. A smaller deviation, like 1 or 2%, might suit less volatile assets, while a larger one, perhaps 5%, could be better for more volatile ones. The main benefit is that it allows you to participate in upward movements while automatically protecting your gains, reducing the need for constant market observation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.